Join me today in East Finchley on Kitchener Road, where I'm very pleased to bring to market a spacious and modern 2 double bedroom apartment with private courtyard garden. The property, which has been fully refurbished by its current owner, is located moments from fashionable East Finchley High Road, with its many cafes, restaurants, cinema and Northern Line Underground station, making it a breeze to get around the capital. For young families, there are several excellent schools nearby, whilst London's ancient woodlands, Cherry Tree and Colefall Woods are also just a short stroll away.
She hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart. Oh.
This has been Kitchener Road. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. For more information or to arrange an in-person viewing, please get in touch.
Baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine.